I'll show you how to remove ads from your Chai application. So step number one, this is a detailed guide. Manage ad privacy settings on your Android. So to do this, just open up the device settings, tap on Google, select all services, and then choose ad suggestion. Now, step number two, use ad blocking applications like AdGuard, AdClear. All these applications over here can help you block these ads. So you open them and then prompt them to block these malicious softwares and phishing programs. Okay. So step number three over here says block the pop-up ads in the browsers. By opening up your browsers, e.g. on your Chrome, go to settings, find site settings or permissions, then turn off the ads or redirects, all of them. So guys, that is simply it. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.